behalf of U.S Airways, it's my pleasure to welcome you to Newark. The local time is 12:05. It will take us just a few more minutes to taxi to the gate, so please remain seated, keep your seatbelt securely fastened, and the aisles clear of all carry-on luggage until our captain has brought the aircraft to a complete stop at the gate. He will turn off the fasten seatbelt sign to let you know that it is safe to stand. Please use caution when you first open the overhead storage compartments. They are very full today and your articles do tend to shift during flight. This is the termination point of our flight this evening. If you have any questions regarding baggage claim or ground transportation, please check with a uniformed U.S. Airways representative who will be greeting our flight. On behalf of all of us at U.S. Airways and the Newark Airlines, it's been our pleasure to bring you to Newark. We hope the remainder of your day, how about your evening? The remainder of your evening and your holiday is a safe and pleasant one. Thanks again for flying with us. The use of cell phones is now permitted.